Hey, what's up, family? So today I did 1 hour or maybe a little more training on the power of the four business C's. The power of the four business C's. So I did a training on the power of business confidence, business choices, business contacts, and business conversions. Now, before I share the four C's with you, let me say this. Business systems and cycles should be senior to all these other systems and cycles. It really should be the most important thing. Like, we got to keep the main thing the main thing. We're in business because we have such big whys, so many things we want to do in life that we understand it's going to require business systems that generate money to afford us the freedom and the flexibility to do all these big old things that we want to do. All right. So we got to establish that back. That should be like the cement, the foundation of why we're in business, because we got bigger whys in our own personal life. But once we establish that and we know, okay, things I want to do financially are going to happen through me understanding business and the fundamentals that support business. Well, then it brings me into understanding the power of business confidence, choices, contacts, and conversion. So let's look at the first C of confidence. Business confidence is so powerful because you have to have confidence in yourself. You have to have confidence in your products and your services so that you can actually get to the seat of conversion. Most people who are in business, most people who work on jobs, most people who are doing things on the side don't see conversions of sales, meaning that they ain't making no money because they forgot about the seat of confidence. See, you got to have confidence in yourself, but you also got to have confidence in your products and services. So even if you go get somebody to help sell your products and services, even if you go find a marketer to just get the attention and promote your products and services, even if you get the coach and the consultant like me to help you and my staff to train you on certain fundamental principles surrounding business and finances and sales and marketing, a lot of that ain't going to work because you got to have confidence in yourself as a business owner, and you got to have confidence in your products and services. In other words, you got to be willing to get high on your own supply. You got to be the consumer of the product you're producing, if you know what I mean. So the power of confidence is critical. Then we have the power of choice. When you have confidence in yourself as a business owner, in your products and services that you're selling and wanting to serve the community with and the market with, guess what? It's going to massively impact and empower your choices. See, I'm in my office today, which is actually a weekend. I'm here, you know why? Because my confidence in my business, my confidence in my products and services empowered me to get up today, which should have been my day off, and make the choice, make the decision to show up to my office so that I can create more conversions. It's just the way it is. I'm not saying it's the best way. I'm not saying it's the only way. I'm saying it's my way because my confidence continues to empower me to make the choices. And then once I make the choice to show up, once I make the right decision to keep my business moving because I have so many things I want to accomplish in life, it brings me to the third C, which is the power of contacts. I can't just sit here and twiddle my thumbs. Oh Lord, I just hope somehow somebody goes to my landing page. Somebody clicks on that link. No, I have to make contacts. I have to do videos. I have to call. To knock on doors. I've got to scream at the mountaintop because my contracts equal my contacts rather equal contracts. So if you want contracts, you want deals, if you want opportunities, you got to make contact. But your contacts are going to be empowered by your what? Your choices. Your choices are going to be empowered by your what? Your confidence. And then the last C is the power of conversions. When I say conversions, I'm talking about actually taking ideas, bringing them into products or converting them into products, converting those products into exchanges in the marketplace so you can convert those exchanges to dollars. To simplify the conversion, it's all about you getting that bag, making money. because the power of confidence in yourself, in your business, in your products and services, it empowers your choices. You're now able to make choices that are going to be right for your business, for your growth, for your expansion, which will force you, literally force you and drive you to make contacts, because you understand business is a people sport. You have to contact people. It's a contact sport. You have to make contact. You got to communicate your vision. You got to communicate your value proposition. You got to communicate your products and services. And you got to continue to do it over and over and over again, whether it's on videos like this, whether it's through emails, whether it's through copyrights, whether it's through flyers, whether it's through screaming at an intersection. I don't care what it is. Make contact so that your contacts can lead to conversions.